What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We have some exciting news, as you can tell from the title. You want to tell them what we're doing, babe?
So we have finally purchased our dream home, our final home, our home that we can build our family in.
We are building our dream home. I'm so excited.
Yeah,
how you feel?
Really excited, really excited.
We started this process a few months ago, and so right now we're in the pre-construction phase. Basically, construction is getting ready to start in the next week or so. So we wanted to go ahead and start this video because we want to bring you guys along on this new journey with us. So exciting. So we're going to talk a little bit about like the process so far, why we chose new construction, and we're gonna take y'all to the lot later in this video, so y'all gonna get to see like a little sneak peek of the beginning of the process and everything like that. So just stay tuned for the video. We're gonna move over to the couch a little bit more chill so we can sit back, talk to y'all a little bit, and then we're gonna take y'all to the lot, show y'all the spots and everything like that. So all right, y'all, so we are building our dream home, which we are so excited about. And initially we were going to do pre-existing home, but we are going to talk a little bit as to why we chose to go the new construction route. Also, this video is just basically us sitting down, just sharing the process so far, and just sharing anything that we feel like would be helpful or beneficial to you guys. So if you have like any questions, maybe we can do like some update videos, because we are going to be bringing you guys along on this journey with us. But we can, you know, answer your questions and things like that. You be up for that, babe?
Let's go.
All right. So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, y'all. As you can tell from the title, we are purchasing our very first home, new construction. So excited. We're headed over here now to like do all the paperwork, pick out, you know, everything. Super excited. It's just been a long week. We picked out our lot yesterday, and we're just so excited. Oh my gosh, just so excited. So headed over here now. Sean should probably already be there. So we drove separately. Skylar's with him. My parents are behind us. They're coming so that, because the office that we're going to, the model home that we're going to, is the actual home that we are going to be getting built. So y'all, it is so beautiful. I'm just so excited, and I'm just excited for the process and this journey. So I wanted to bring you guys along, of course. So we are heading to the office now, and I'll probably see you guys when we get in, maybe like when we're signing papers and things like that. This is exciting. So why did we choose to do new construction over, you know, pre-existing home? Like, we looked at so many of them.
Yeah, so we initially started looking on Zillow, looking at different homes, putting in different filters of things we wanted in our home. We've seen a few, we toured a few houses, we worked with a realtor, but I guess we seen different things in different houses that we liked, but we didn't see one house where it had pretty much everything that we wanted in a home. Yeah,
like for me, yeah, it was pretty much like what you just said. We couldn't find everything we wanted in one home, and then if we did find something that we like really like, we would have to do like so many different upgrades or painting. Like that one house with the 3 levels that.
Yeah, we seen one house that was real nice. Yeah, but it needed a lot of like maintenance work.
So it was just like, no, that was just too much. But then we did fall in love with this one house. Like when we saw this house, Sean was just like,
yeah, we came across one house. It was probably it was our first house, right? That we seen?
I don't think it was. It was like close to the beginning.
Okay, yeah. So it was a really nice house that we seen. It pretty much had everything we wanted. Nice size backyard, nice size house, the amount of bedrooms and bathrooms we wanted. The front lawn was nice.
Okay, the one thing every house had to have, what was that one thing?
What?
The one thing you could not have,
the overlook?
Yeah,
this house had the overlook. Yeah. Or they had the stairway.
The catwalk.
Yeah, the catwalk overlooking the living room. And I fell in love with that. So any other house that we seen after that, if it didn't have it, I wasn't
just even before, like that's something that you've always said.
Yeah, I've always wanted that,
in a house. It's just like be able to have the high ceilings.
Yeah, and that one did have it.
Yeah.
So anytime we looked at a house after that,
Maybe like, it got high ceilings? No.
yeah,
Like,
I didn't really want it because it didn't have the high. It had the high ceiling, but it didn't have the catwalk overlooking the living room.
Yeah.
Well, the only thing with that one was the laundry
price.
room. No, the laundry room was downstairs.
Yeah, and then I don't think he was trying to budge on that price either.
Yeah, the price was a little above what we wanted to pay as well.
Yeah, but the laundry room, yeah, that's why I say go out and like really see what you want and see what you like, because we love that house, but that laundry room being on the first floor, that would have tore my nerves up.
Yeah, and the crazy thing about it, even if they budged to the price that we wanted, I would have rather had waited now that knowing what we have purchased now instead of actually purchasing that house, the one that we seen that we liked.
Because we ended up getting the same floor plan of that house, but it's the upgraded version of that floor plan. And like, y'all, the floor plan is, I love that house. I love this house that we are building.
Yes.
But
so after we came across that house, we seen a bunch of other houses, and we was like, we might probably gonna end up waiting because we didn't see exactly what we wanted.
yeah.
But then we came across this new construction.
How did we even find that? Did you find that or did
I think I Googled it, and I seen that they had the same floor plan as the house that we mentioned that we really liked.
Yeah.
And the price was cheaper, and it was newer, and the laundry room was on the second floor.
Yeah. Yeah. So then,
yeah, once we seen that, then we spoke with the builders company, and then we actually did a tour of their model home.
so we started this process last year, and we signed our contract and everything back in October. So the process has been, what it's been like 3 months now. Okay, so once you sign, you have to wait for permits and all that stuff to come back. So that's where we are in the process. Like, all our permits have came back, pre-construction, like they've staked the lot, and then now we are getting ready to start construction, which is so exciting. That's why we are sitting now like filming this video, because this is like the real start, like so exciting. What is something you feel like you wish you would have known before starting this process that will help somebody else or something?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. Something that I wish I would have known
So hot.
before starting the process. You go first.
Something I wish I would have known. I'm gonna take yours because
Oh
no.
I think I got one.
About the lot and all this.
No. So one thing I wish I would have known before I started was doing my research on a realtor that we felt like needed more experience.
Yeah.
The realtor we had, he was nice. Like, he showed us around.
Chill, cool.
He worked with our schedule, but I didn't think he had a lot of knowledge when it came to helping us out, like finding homes, and especially with new construction. I think we were his first like client when it came to new construction.
Find a realtor that you're comfortable with, feel like is going to have your best interests at heart. At the end of the day, they are, who has your best interest at heart, basically.
They're working for you.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's initially for the process of starting. Just make sure you get a realtor that's gonna have a lot of information or have a lot of experience. When it came to new construction, I didn't have any idea about new construction, the process, the different prices, the upgrades. I didn't even know that you had to buy a lot. I thought the lot came with the purchase of the house. So that was something that we learned during the process.
So if it was up to me, our house probably would have ended up being
What?
thousands more, because I was wanting to add on everything. So you, like, when you have your initial price, and then you have add-ons where you can do like upgrades and things like that, and that's where it gets like real pricey.
Yeah, so the base price, they have a set base price for whatever floor plan you choose, and then from that base price, that's when you can start doing upgrades of the house, like color, different layouts, lights, doors, appliances, doors, windows. There's all kind of stuff that you can do upgrades to.
So just know that, like, when you're initially thinking about, going like the new construction route and just like saving up more money to be able to cover those. Yeah,
because how they get you is once you do a tour of the model home, everything in that home is upgraded. So when you go in that home, you thinking, oh, everything is nice, but those are all the upgrades, not the base plan if you were to do no upgrades.
Yeah.
So just remember that whenever you go to a model home, everything in that home is upgraded to the max.
Yeah. Yeah. They get you because I was wanting everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, but if y'all have any questions, just like I said, leave them down below. We're definitely gonna be bringing you guys along for this journey and this process. But yeah, we're excited. I'm excited.
Oh, I mean, one thing is
What?
if you are renting and you're planning on buying new construction, just try to, I guess, estimate the days of when your lease ends to when your house will be built. I mean, there will be delays. Like originally they said that they were gonna get the permits for our home to start building late November, early December.
Yeah.
So they didn't get it until like
January. Well,
they got it like late
December.
late December. So it's been like a month behind. So just be aware that there will be delays. And I'm sure there's gonna be delays
moving forward.
Yeah, moving forward as well. So just be aware of that.
Just because the wet, like we're getting snow this week. Yeah, but that is it, y'all. Just wanted to go ahead and just like share the news and start bringing you guys along. So the next clips that you guys are going to see is us going to the lot. We're going to be taking pictures before they start the construction, like the, you know, all the real construction. So yeah, but that is it, y'all. Just wanted to go ahead and just like share the news and start bringing you guys along. So the next clips that you guys are going to see is us going to the lot. We're going to be taking pictures before they start the construction, like the, you know, all the real construction. So yeah, so excited. And thank you to him, of course. Ooh, my amazing husband doing a thing to make it happen for him and his girls. And we are so appreciative. Before I show you the clips of us at the lot, I do want to show you guys the construction vests, which are so cute, that we got for the girls. So got these vests. It came with like some tools, and it came with a hard hat because that was like the theme of the shoot that we wanted to do. So these are from Amazon, just in case anyone else is like in the process of building a home and you're you know, trying to think of like some cute photo props and ideas. I'll have these linked down below in the description box for you guys. But yeah, super cute, super cute. And yeah, I'll link those down below for you. Also the shovel as well, I'll have that, all of that linked.
Flat, that's what I love. I like flat land. Nice.
Look at the little butterfly.
Woo! Hallelujah!
So it's not so cold. Okay, here. There's yours. Let's go. Get over there. Take a picture, take a picture. Turn around, have your back towards Skylar. Yeah, okay. I like that. I know. Those big smiles. The faster we do it, the faster we can go back to the car. Big smiles, Summer.
Excited.